children, before starting this video, let me tell you one general talk. Yes, about Abdul Kalam. Do you know when is Abdul Kalam's birthday? Yes, October 15. So October 15 is Abdul Kalam's birthday, and we celebrate it as World's Students' Day. Yes, yours day only. Why? Because Abdul Kalam loves students. He loves students and also the young children. He thought that only the students and the young children can make the world into a better position, can make the India into a better position. So only with the proper education, only our educations gives us self-respect. So he always thinks that, he always thought that only the right education keeps you, makes you a proper citizen, and also when you got the real education, it makes you it gives you self-respect. It enhances your dignity also. So, and although he was the 11th president of India, he also the scientist, right? He was the aerospace scientist, but he want the world to recognize him as a teacher, because he liked the teaching position only. And at his life's last moment was also happened at the place where he was giving the lecture, only. So here I have given you some small talk about the APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope you are learned something about him. So let's start learning about the new topic, that is homographs. What is today's topic? Yes, homographs only. So what is homographs? We know about the meaning of homo. Homo means same only. So graph, homograph means the spelling will be same, but the pronunciation and meaning of the words will be differ only. So we have been learning about homonyms, homograph and homophones only. Am I right? So here we are going to learn about homographs. Homographs also the words only. They are the words. Generally we can say the pair of words. Okay. If we took a pair of words of the homograph, means that words has the same spelling, but it is different in pronunciation and also different in meaning. I repeat again, homographs are the words which has the same spelling, but it is different in pronunciation and it has the different meanings only. Example, see here I have written two example, that is tear. If you take tear, T-E-A-R, when you pronounce like tear, it gives a meaning, that is a drop, right? Droplet. Tear means I can say my tear from a droplet from my ear, right? So sorry, from my eyes. So tear means nama solala kannir tuligalum sollalam illaya, kannir tuligal appdi nama solla. It stands for one meaning. But when I read it, when I pronounce in a different way, that is tear. Now the tear appdin sonna, what is that meaning? That is splitting or cutting. Tear the paper, tearing the paper, kidikkirathu nama sollalam. Okay va? So tear and tear, they both have the same meaning, same spelling. Check the spelling. T-E-A-R. Also tear, when I read T-E-A-R, tear, this also has the same spelling only. So when the pair of words has the same spelling but different in pronunciation, tear, tear, but they both have the same spelling. When they pronounce in different, and the meaning of these words also different meaning. See, one tear, this word tear means a droplet. When I say tear, tearing means kilikirathu, that is splitting or cutting. Okay, so that gives the different meaning only. So when a pair of words sound different, pronounce different and gives the meaning different but same in spelling, you need to keep in your mind that homograph means it has the same spelling only, but it has the different pronunciation and different meaning. So let's learn with more example. One more example. See, wind, W-I-N-D, wind. How do you pronounce wind only? So when you pronounce wind means what does it mean? Yes, it means air, right? Wind, the wind blows. The wind is blowing. Okay, wind nale nama kaathu solluvom. So when I read a word in a different pronunciation, it can also pronounce in a different way. W-I-N-D. So W-I-N-D means wind. When I pronounce wind, it means it has a different pronunciation and it also gives the different meaning only. Wind means end. Wind up the class. Shall we wind up the class? It means shall we end the class? Nama class mudichikalama. So wind up means the ending of the session. So shall I wind up the session or shall I wind up the yes, shall I wind up the meeting? So in the meeting இப்ப நம்ம end பண்ணிடலாமா? So end இதோட முடிவு எண்டுக்கு கொண்டு வரலாம். முடிவு நம்ம வந்து முடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ முடிக்கிறது நம்ம வைண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ காற்று நம்ம விண்டுன்னு ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஹியர் வாட் இஸ் த டிஃப்ரெண்ட்? த difference it is in the pronunciation and the meaning. Meanings and pronunciations are different, but the spelling of these words are same only. So what are homograph? When the words pronounce in different way and it has a different meaning, but they have the same spelling only. It has the same spelling, but it is different in pronunciation and also different in meaning. Means those words are homograph only. Can you tell me more example about the homograph? So I have given you two examples, that is tear, tear. Keep in your mind, it should have the same spelling. The first point you need to keep in your mind that the words should have a same spelling. Same spelling இருக்கணும் அந்த words. Okay, அந்த words வந்து same spelling இருக்கணும். But அந்த pronounce பண்றதும் and அதோட meaningமே different இருக்கும். Pronunciation also different. The meaning also should be different. அப்படிங்கற words ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு think பண்ணி எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Can you guess and tell me? Yes. Okay, one more example I can give you, that is, read out this word which I am going to write. L-E-D, again L-E-A-D, L-E-A-D, L-E-A-D. Can you pronounce this L-E-A-D? Yes, what is that? How do you pronounce L-E-A-D? Lead. Very good. Lead means what? I am leading you. I can say yes. She is leading in the game. அப்படினா என்ன? Leading-னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? It's a position, right? They are in the first place, or she is the moment she is going from first place to second place, the moment of the event or the action. Okay, leading means I can also say the position. In the position, in the யார் leading-ல இருக்காங்க, யார் high-ல இருக்காங்க நம்ம சொல்லல, that lead. What about this one? This one, L-E-A-D. I said they are the homograph only. The first thing is they have the same spelling. So here both this word have the same spelling, that is L-E-A-D, L-E-A-D. Now the meaning for the first L-E-A-D is that is position or guide. Guide கூட நம்ம சொல்லலாம். Okay, guide பண்றாங்க. Okay, can you lead which the river leads to that sea? இது வந்து இதுக்கு போகும் அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லலாம். The movement also சொல்லலாம். இவங்க நம்மள லீட் பண்றாங்க, நமக்கு கைட் பண்ணுவாங்க நம்ம சொல்லலாம். முன்னோடி நம்ம சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? So what is how does it pronounce? Already I said they are homograph. So இது வந்து same spellingல இருக்கும், but pronunciation different-ஆ இருக்கும், meaning-உம் different-ஆ இருக்கும். So ஒண்ணுக்கு நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். One word எப்படி இருக்கும்? கண்டிப்பா இது different-ஆ தான் pronounce ஆகும். Very good. That is lead. L-E-A-D, lead. Lead நம்ம சொல்றோம். Lead means what? Yes, அது EM நம்ம சொல்லலாம். உங்க பென்சில்ல இருக்கிற நீங்க அந்த கூரை கூட நீங்க lead ன்னு சொல்வீங்க. It's a kind of metal நம்ம சொல்லலாமா? Yes. Lead. Right. அது yes, lead நம்ம இத pronounce பண்ணுவோம். and இத நம்ம வந்து lead ன்னு pronounce பண்றோம். So can you find out more example like this? Yes. Yes, very good. One more also, that is minute, minute. When I pronounce this minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute na okay, நிமிஷம். Minute நான் pronounce பண்ணனா அதுக்கு meaning என்ன? ரொம்ப எப்படி சொல்றது? ரொம்ப சின்னதா hope you are clear about the what are homograph. Homograph means it has the same spelling. The words have the same spelling, but it is different in pronunciation and it is different in meaning, and those words are called as homograph also. And try guessing more example about the homograph. If you find out the more words which has the same spelling but different in pronunciation and meaning, by yourself only you will be able to learn, you will be able to understand about the homograph topic easily. So try and find at least minimum 5 pair of homographs so that it will be very easy for you children. Thank you.